Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So I'm gonna show you how to compute data in SPSS. So we have here data on the knowledge about the effect of smoking on health. So we have here the knowledge variables from A to T, about 20 variables. So I want to find the total score of the knowledge. So I go to transform, compute variable, and then we can put new variable. For example, knowledge total score, and we can label it. We can also label it as same variables, and we're gonna use numeric. And then we need to move all the variables knowledge to this box. So just put A, and then in between of each variable we have to put plus. So B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G So we have transferred all the knowledge variables into this box from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So, and then if you want to save this syntax, you can put as paste, or otherwise you can click OK here. So I just put paste. So here is the syntax for the compute. So we just select all and run the test. So it shows here that the new variables has been created in SPSS. So let's check this here. So we can see here there's new knowledge created, new variables created here. Okay, so and then here the total score for each variable. So this is how to compute variables. Thank you.